It is known to all that to lose weight, dieting and exercising are crucial. But what if you could burn fat, even while sleeping? Many people are surprised to discover how many calories we burn while we sleep. Well, according to several studies, this is actually possible. Although sleeping requires far less energy than most daytime activities, it's still an active period for our brain and certain other bodily functions. Your sleeping routine has a major impact on your mood, as well as your body weight. People do lose weight during sleep, and this is mostly due to water loss through breathing and sweating. Disruptive sleep patterns may force the body to hold onto fat when it really should not, thereby causing weight gain. So if you think that you are burning more calories by staying awake late at night, then you might need to reconsider your decision. The exact number of calories burned during sleeping depends on a complex interplay between sleep, diet, exercise, and other variables. If you are having trouble with weight management or energy levels, an understanding of the factors that influence metabolism may help you regain control of your health. So we burn around 50 calories an hour while we sleep. However, every person burns a different amount of calories during their sleep, depending on their personal basal metabolic rate. The basal metabolic rate refers to the energy needed for essential functions such as breathing, circulation, temperature regulation, and cellular growth and repair. In most people, the basal metabolic rate accounts for approximately 80% of the total calories burned in one day. The brain itself burns glucose for energy, accounting for about 20% of the calories we consume while at rest. Sleep is a time for the body to repair and regenerate. In order to do this more effectively, our body temperature drops, our breathing slows, and our metabolism also lowers. So on average, most people burn about 15% fewer calories while they're asleep, compared with their basal metabolic rate during the day. And besides sleeping, there are several other ways to burn fat easily. There are many proven natural methods to burning belly fat without exercise, such as getting specific types of fats, fibers, and other nutrients in your diet. A 500 caloric deficit can help lead to 1 pound of fat loss per week. Eating a high-protein diet when losing weight will prevent you from losing muscle. Many fitness experts say that to reduce belly fat and lower belly fat, you should create a 500-calorie deficit every day. And this can be done by making changes to your daily diet and creating a combination of healthy sources of protein, fats, and fiber. Adding healthy sources of fats like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and avocados to your diet can help you create a calorie deficit while also still enjoying the flavors of your food. It is important to remember that reducing belly fat is only possible with overall fat loss. This can be done by changing your diet to include more healthy fats and less processed foods. Reducing your protein consumption and increasing fat consumption can help reduce abdominal fat. For toning the abdominal muscles, try some of these exercises, such as crunches, planks, and leg raises. Also, making other lifestyle changes, like reducing stress and getting adequate sleep, will also help you lose belly fat without exercise. Eating a high-protein diet can help you burn more muscle, which in turn will result in losing weight and burning more calories. If you are not exercising but still trying to lose the lower belly fat, then make sure to rest your muscles properly, as this will help rebuild lost lean tissue. then adding exercises that target the lower belly muscles is an added bonus for weight loss. It is important to remember that losing belly fat without exercise takes time and patience, as other body parts may lose weight faster than the abdominal area. It is important to remember to eat minimal carbs and focus on consuming proteins instead. Adding protein supplements is a great way to ensure that your diet provides enough protein for your body. Eating 6 small meals throughout the day can also help you lose weight faster. Additionally, make sure you drink plenty of water, as it can help reduce sagging lower belly fat due to its diuretic properties. Changing your diet by reducing fat and sugar intake, as well as eating healthy foods, is a great way to reduce your weight. So if you want to lose weight more quickly, you can consider joining a fitness institute or exercising specific parts of your body. Reducing high sugar intake, including sugars like desserts, can help reduce visceral fat and prevent the liver from triggering insulin resistance, which in turn reduces inflammation. Additionally, reducing intake of refined flour and granulated sugars that are found in desserts and breads will also help reduce levels of inflammation, as well as promote a balanced insulin response in the body. So when the body is deprived of simple sugars, it will begin to draw energy from its own fat stores in order to meet its energy needs. This means that the stomach can start to shrink as the body begins to burn off stored excessive sugar accumulation. Starch is another culprit in creating a podgy stomach, and reducing intake of starchy foods such as rice, pasta, and potatoes can help keep energy levels more balanced and draw down on body fat. To prevent excess fat from accumulating, avoid foods that are high in unhealthy fats. Additionally, avoid any kind of foods that contain bleached grains. Eating more protein can also help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, which in turn will help with the issues associated with fat gain. Finally, try to stay away from refined sugars and trans fats, as these are known to contribute to a hanging belly. So to sum it up, reduce your intake of unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar, while also increasing your intake of healthy proteins and fiber-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables.